All right, welcome to the awesome Mianoi Hangar. My name is Darren, and I'm here to introduce you to one of our aviation-themed coffee roasts. We're also going to show you different ways to brew and review some of the equipment we use. I want to show you just how simple and easy it is to make a great cup of coffee. Now, if you hadn't figured it out already, Mianoi is actually a vintage aerobatic biplane harking back to the 1940s days of adventure and exploration. Now, if you're thinking Indiana Jones, you would be correct. So I'd like to start by introducing you to Sunrise Surprise, which is our South American medium roast breakfast plain coffee, and it has that extra boost of caffeine just to get you going in the morning. If you'd like to know more about our other roasts, ways to brew, and product reviews, there'll be links in the description below. So Sunrise Surprise is actually a Lancer B1B long-range supersonic bomber that flies with the United States Air Force. So this is Sunrise Surprise, taking off from Naval Air Station Miramar in San Diego, California. It's just a couple of miles actually from where I'm stood right here. And yes, you are correct, Miramar was the base that was featured in the original Top Gun. So this label is the only one that does not feature a World War II aircraft. And the reason for that is very simple. Sunrise Surprise was just too great a match for our breakfast blended coffee. We just had to use it. The striking label still pays homage to the nose art that adorned many World War II aircraft. But the Lancer B1B bomber is a very accomplished aircraft. It holds over 50 world records in its class for speed, range, payload, and rate of climb. It really packs a punch, just like our coffee. Quality and freshness is obviously paramount. It's the basis for what makes a great cup of coffee. That's why we roast to order in small batches and send it directly to you. I know you can't smell these roasted beans, and I know you can't smell this. Actually, hold on. That's a good cup of coffee. Okay, sorry, you can't smell the coffee, but let me tell you, it smells and tastes pretty good. Remember, there's links to our other roasts, ways to brew, and some product reviews in the description below. We appreciate your likes. Subscribe to find out about all our other videos, and hit the notifications button so we can let you know when a new video comes out. Remember, it's all about the coffee. But for now, it's time to fly. I mean, literally, I'm going to go fly Mianoi and have some fun. Thanks.